Yes,
Boy, I'm gonna miss this. I really, really am. Look at that. Oh, look at that. So, this is the last adventure weekend for 2025. Today is our last day. So we have to head back to Wellington, you know, because some of these children have some extracurricular activities they have to see to. So I was hoping we could have stayed here a lot longer, but it hasn't been bad. So we're having breakfast now. It's almost 9 a.m. I'm gonna pack all the things and then we can make our way. Oh, Logan, yeah, nice, good. Now you can sit out there if you want. Yeah?
Me.
No toys at the table, please. Put it away. No playthings. Put it away and focus on the food. So yeah, it's been great. Really, really wonderful. Now, Flynn, you've not brought your bag out like I asked. So up, get it, bring it out. Do it now. Check this out.
Do we bring both?
Souvenir. Yes, both. Take it outside because you guys can separate it into whatever your carry-on versus those going in the car. So yeah, got me a little souvenir, which is not a little, 2 actually. Actually, I take that back, 3 actually. So yeah, it's wonderful. Oh, amazing, eh? Oh man, I'm gonna miss this. Check that out. You gonna sit and eat? I'm sure that couch is dry. Thanks for watching. See you soon. We can be walking down there. Yeah? We're walking down there a bit later.
She looks like
What are you guys talking about?
The fire truck.
the fire truck, guys.
I love how they're just chatting away. Just love it. Being kind to each other, just chatting, occasionally teasing each other, admit. Oh man, look at that. So we have to go. I feel sad. We have to go. So we just left your towel and stuff here. I knew it. Oh, this bag is coming inside with me.
You know the one on Avatar? Wait, remember when Avatar when Avatar
No. Sunscreen before we go. Sitting right here.
I'm black.
Yeah, Logan, put sunscreen on, yeah? Thank you. Now, where's my damn coat?
Slay Queen.
Sunscreen, people. Are they doing the Macarena?
Me?
Oh, God.
Okay.
What's the skinny form dog doing here?
It's mine. Turn the head.
Yeah, I got you on video. You were marking around. Whoa, you're doing the Macarena. Who does the Macarena in the 2000s? That's weird.
Papa.
Man, that's a beautiful shot. What did you catch? What? Sorry, what? Did you get
Yeah, we got a video of them having a
Were they,
go.
were they having a go at each other?
Yeah.
Huh?
Especially
Did you
the
get a
horn
video?
one. The horns were gonna go. Watch.
I'll watch it. Can you send it to me on WhatsApp? Send it to me on what? Can you send it to me?
I'll send you a video.
Yeah. Give me a good video of the goats having a go at each other. No. Give it to me. Send it to me on WhatsApp.
See that one with horns? The one
That
with-
goat loves you, man. It's true love.
No, they love each other. These two.
Yeah,
That one's
strapped with that one.
Yo, he always scraps his everything.
There's a load. Dad.
Don't headbutt me.
I'll protect
Yeah.
my
There's a lime over there.
Let's go and say thank you. Let's go and say thank you to our host.
Look, there's lamb.
Oh, the lamb. I think that's somebody else's property. We can't go on it. Are you touching the horse?
What is?
I touched it.
Yeah, that one loves
They're
you.
eating bark.
Yes, that's what
All
goats
of them
do.
love me. I'm not
Come on, let's go.
I like this one.
Good. How much did they cost you? $3, isn't it?
Because I don't need to use my hands.
Oh yeah. Look at the crew. What's it say? The pride. Yeah, I don't know why we use the word crew there. That's good. Oh yeah. And check this out. Oh. Now you guys don't know how good you have it. You really don't know. One day you grow up, I hope you don't regret it.
I love
Yeah?
goats.
I'm not talking about a damn goat.
I hate goats. I hate goats with horns.
How? They're
Why?
They're so cute.
They're so cute. I mean, he touched it. Oh, the llamas. You guys said bye to the llamas? Alpacas, sorry. Did I just call them llamas?
Alpacas. And they're staring you down.
Alright, let's go here and see, and then we can say bye to the alpacas as well.
I'd rather not.
Why not? It hasn't spat on anyone yet. Yeah. It hasn't. Well, oh yeah, that was a long time ago.
No. That was like 2 days ago.
Oh man, you guys are in the most wonderful view ever.
I think the alpacas are angry.
I hate them.
Hey, look, there's a plant in the bus.
There's a goat following us, mate.
The bus is some sort of greenhouse or something. Check that out. Look, it looks like some sort of greenhouse. A greenhouse bus.
It's not a greenhouse.
Yeah?
It's a green box.
It's a green box. Yeah, the goats are coming because they live here. It's their house. Hello. A highly domesticated goat. It's very, very normal. Yeah, we've got all the animal here. This is some sort of animal farm. Hello, how you doing, Snoop? Yeah, how you doing? He said, "What's up?" Yeah, give me a nod. Come on.
Wait, are there 2 girls and 2 boys?
Now, imagine if you bit my face, eh? Yeah. Did you take a close shot? Did you take a close shot?
There's another one coming.
Yeah, that's
They
okay.
were fighting.
Don't kiss the damn goats. What are you doing? That's oh, it's a pooch. Hello, Poochie. Oh,
Behind
Scooby-Doo. It's Scooby-Doo.
Scooby. Is that their name? Hello. You call them both
I've been away
Scooby-Doo?
from my dogs for a long time, so they probably don't smell them.
Well, yes. And this, what's the name of this one?
dogs would smell.
The little one.
Jack.
Jack. Hello, Jack. We're gonna- Hello,
They'll
Jack.
be all over me when I get home.
Oh, your dogs are gonna be jealous.
Yeah.
Very, very jealous. They smell another dog on you.
And goats.
And goats.
My dog's gonna be so jealous.
Hello. Oh. Everyone, can you come around and come and express your direct thanks to our host? Yep, you do it yourself. You know how to do it. You've done it 1,000 times.
Probably not 1,000.
Logan, you too.
Thank you for having us.
That's okay. Alright, very good.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah. Well, can you move? Yes. Can you focus on your thanks, please? Thank you. All right. Let's go. We'll go to the river a bit, and then we'll make our way. We'll make our way on the road. You, drama. What are you doing?
Alpaca.
I don't like it.
Oh, we got an alpaca in the way. Menu, move away from me, please. Can you leave my shirt alone, please? If you panic, then it will come to you. Do what I taught you yesterday.
Already scaring it away.
Why is it that you city children are chicken? They're serious chicken. It's an animal.
It's shotgun.
You just have to respect it.
I wonder if the box is far.
Have you told Alex about it?
No.
You should. He'll have a good laugh. At your expense.
Yeah, he will.
Hopefully the box is far.
I should have just left it in the Christmas thing.
You should have.
I don't know why I didn't.
There's a horse over there at the far end. Over there. What? What? Oh no, the wrong side's still there. But you guys are building a bridge on the wrong side. Yes, you are.
No, we're not.
You built it on the wrong side.
No, I didn't.
I'm gonna try and cross this. I'm gonna go barefooted though. Just don't get washed away and keep your phone as dry as you can. What's with the rock? Really? It's not gonna work. Oh wow. Wow, that's enough to get me across.